Okay, hello everyone. So welcome to teacher with teacher video again. I hope that everyone doing well. So today we're gonna start lesson a job again. But teacher would like to show you we is a that person that work in the place. So actually where they work. Like for example, you look at number one. What does he do, everyone? What does he do? Yes. Number one, she is a doctor, right? Okay. She is a doctor. So, teacher give you draw already this one. So we have the word they see hospital, restaurant, police station, hotel, okay, office, school, okay. So number one, she gonna be, where is she work, everyone? Yeah, she work in the hospital. Number two, who is she? Okay, who is she? Actually, she is uh, she is what? She is a student, right? She is a student. Where is she study, everyone? Where is she study? Oh, yeah. Okay. So you have to draw this one. Study, go to school, right? Okay. So here, school. Okay. So now number three, you look. This person. So this person is a chef, right? Okay, chef. Where does he work? Okay. He work in the school. He work in a hospital. Or he work in a restaurant or police station or hotels or office. Okay, now let's try one. Which one? Yes, so the chef, he work in the restaurant. Okay, restaurant. Okay, now let's move to number four.